make a better world. We can make it better. You see, let's stop all this finger pointing and just take a moment to think, to make